So you're ready to submit an invoice, but you're not registered in Piee, also known as WAWF? Well, guys, this is the video for you. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to be registering you on Piee so you can submit that invoice and get that moolah. So go ahead and click on the register button. And of course, when you click on register, it's going to ask you to a privacy statement. Go ahead and read it and click agree. So this part is asking you, what type of user are you? Are you a DoD, non-DoD, support contractor, vendor, or something else? So in this case, and most likely in your case, we are a vendor. So you're going to go ahead and click on vendor. And then it's going to ask you to authenticate yourself. So right here, you're going to pick a username, a password. Now guys, please make sure to follow the user ID rules and the password rules, as they are important. And as you're deciding what type of password you want to decide, please make sure to write it down and don't forget it, because it's a hassle to redo it. Now, click on the next button once you enter that information in, and it's going to ask you for your security questions. Now, you're going to pick 3 different types of security questions, and then you're going to put in the answers. Once you finish doing that, then you are going to click on the next button. Now, it's also going to ask you to put in your user information. So this is where you're going to put your name, your last name, your organization, your job title, the grade and rank. You don't have to put in any of that. Anything that's starred, that's what you're going to actually fill out. All the other stuff, if you have it, you can put it, but if not, just ignore it. Just make sure you're answering the starred questions. And guys, this information is fake, so don't try to call me. See, I accidentally put in the wrong email address, so make sure the email is confirmed and correct. Once you make sure that it is confirmed and correct, go ahead, retype it in and click on that. So now they're asking for supervisor information. You don't need to put that information in. You can skip that first section. Just put in your company information. So at the bottom where it says company information, you are going to put in your name, your address, the name of your company, that is, your company's address, okay, city, state, zip code, and the country. Now, this part is very special, so make sure you listen up. We're going to have to put in 2 roles, okay? The first role we're going to have to put in is Piee procurement, okay? So you're going to click on that, click on contract administrative, and click on add a role. Then you're going to go back to step 1, click on the WAWF, click on vendor, and also click on add a role. Once you do that, you're going to go to the bottom. Make sure you have your cage code handy, because you do need to put that into both of these lines. So you're going to go to the WAWF vendor, enter in your cage code. And then you're going to go to the Piee line, click on look up group. You're going to search your company in the system by putting in your cage code, clicking on search, and then you're going to go search by group name. It should pull up your company and your information. You're going to just click on that. And then you're going to click next. Now, for the justification, they just need to know why you need access. So you can put anything you want, like submitting invoices to the federal government, or to access the system for submitting invoices, or really whatever you really want. just put something short and brief. As you can see, I just put to submit an invoice. You can put that too. And once you've entered that in, go ahead and click on the next button. Now, like any other governmental form, they want to make sure that all the information that you put in is correct. So go back over all the registration summary, make sure your name is right, your job title is right, and if everything is right, go ahead and click the next button. You will then be brought to a screen that is the agreement. Go ahead and read the agreement, and you're going to click the bottom part where it says signature. Now, for the purpose of this video, I cannot redo this because I'm already registered in WAWF, but you will get a OTP request where the email that you put in, you will get in 6-digit code to put into the OTP. So once you click on that, you're going to get an email. Check your email, put in the OTP code right there, and then once you do that, you're going to click the submit registration button. Okay, once you do that, more than likely a screen is going to pop up saying we're going to review your information or something of that nature. I don't know, because I can't go any further than this. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out. And there you have it, guys. You have now just registered in the Piee/WAWF, WAWF, and you're ready to submit an invoice. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you need help submitting the invoice, make sure to follow this channel and check out my other tutorials. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.